In this presentation, I'm going to describe about my final project. This is develop a prototype e-commerce site for Fashion Mania Limited. And in this presentation, I'll describe about the aim of my project, objectives, introduction, literature review, a requirement analysis, research and development methodologies that I used for my project, and finally conclusion. Aim of this project. The main aim of this project is to develop a e-commerce site for company Fashion Mania with payment facility. I have several objectives for this project. First of all, research on the current e-commerce technologies, then um, enhance how this software will provide facility for their customer, and the design and develop the website, and that will test and evaluate my website, and research on the further improvement, how in future it can be improved. Introduction. E-commerce is a fastest growing industry. Almost every single businesses currently are using e-commerce, and that is giving power. How? Because if company is using e-commerce, they can sell their product over the world. There is no geographical boundary. For example, customer from India, customer from Iraq, customer from Bulgaria, they can buy product from UK. So there is no actual geographical boundary, and this is giving power to the business, and especially a small business can go online, and then they can sell their product online, and basically they don't have to have any store or shop physical location in high street that is really expensive. And also the Facebook marketing, e-marketing, and web development in social media is really working really good. Then in this project, I have divided 7 different steps. First one is requirement analysis. How I collect the requirement, actually what I have to develop, what my customer want in my website. Then I have research on various methodologies that can be used my project, and technical consideration for this project, like which language I will use, which technology I will use, which database I will use, and which one is convenient, this sort of thing. And then finally, I design the system, then system development, system implementation. I test the system, is that working good or not, and evaluation for the customer. Company overview. Company Fashion Mania Limited is a small company. They are operating from Saudi Arab, and they are selling product. Currently they're selling product from a store, and sometimes they're taking customer order over phone, as because they don't have any online website. The benefit of the proposed system: if the company Fashion Mania have the website, they can display their product into their website. Customer can visit their website, customer can choose their desired product, customer can search the product they want, then customer can visit another website, compare the price between the websites, customer can make a payment, and that will for by using e-commerce site, company Fashion Mania can provide the best customer support, easy customer support, and they make the customer relationship better. The requirement analysis, how I gather the requirement analysis. Actually, after gathering my requirement analysis, I have divided my whole project requirement into 2 sub-part. First one is functional requirement, and second one is non-functional requirement. What is functional requirement? Functional requirement is the requirement that I have to have implement in my project. That is really important, need to be implement in this project. So I would say product details, then view general information of the product, then shopping cart, payment facilities are the most important. That's why that's called functional requirement. And non-functional requirement is is less important, but it still it can make a website better. For example, color design, logo design, this sort of thing are the non-functional requirement of a project. And I have been told that I researched on several methodologies, and after that I found my project. For example, I researched on waterfall, and wrap, and onion. There are I researched on so many research methodologies. After that, I found that feature-driven development is suitable for my project. Why? Because if I in feature-driven development, every single thing is a feature. How? Because for example, if you have a shopping cart, this is a feature. If you have a customer search option, search a product, this is a feature. Then user login is a feature, user registration is a feature. So I have divided so many features that is needed for my project. And for a couple of days I spend for user registration. For 7 days I spend for implement the shopping cart. 3 days I spent to add the payment method. So this 3 days, 7 days, and together I have found my whole project done. That is the benefit of feature driven development. And in the feature driven development in the real world, what is happening actually, first initially we start the requirement analysis, then integration and testing, and then every single phase we are developing the integration and testing. Then after that, when each feature have been developed, we are sending to the customer to get the feedback. If customer like the feature, then we are sending for the release. Otherwise we are we are looping back to this whole circle, and we design the whole system until customer is happy. This project I have the language and tools I have used for my project is PHP. PHP is an open source soft language that I used for my business logic. I mean the business calculation and how data will come to my website from the SQL just before the SQL server. HTML I use for design my website. CSS I use for the color design, how it will be look like. MySQL I use as a database. This is again a free open source software. Jump I use. This is a package software where I'll get Apache and MySQL server, etc. And system design. Actually, for the user can go to my website, they can see a product, they can visit, they can see about the company registration, they can do the registration, they can view the card, they can see the company contract information and special promotion of the product. How user will buy one product from my website, this is the sequential steps. Actually, first of all, user will go to the home page, then he will select one department, then he will select choose a product, then he will select, then that will go to the shopping cart. In cart, after that he have to register in my website, then he can go to the payment option, and I have implemented pay by PayPal. Customer can pay by PayPal. And finally, in this website, admin user is a super user. He can add a department, he can add a product, he can modify a product, update or delete the product, or manage any order. He can delete, cancel any order. He can update status of the order, or he can see the customer order. And this is my website homepage. It will be it is looking like that. And the shopping cart, here I can see one customer added one t-shirt that is unit price is 80 pound, 80 real, and is showing 80, where shopping cost is 10 real, so altogether 90. A customer can delete, or customer can update, or customer can go for proceed for checkout, or customer will see the payment option. And after proceed, customer will see this PayPal account. If he have the PayPal account, customer can pay for the product he choose. And finally, in conclusion, I'll say my project is successful in terms of I use all the methodologies and all the software development method tools and techniques that is necessary for development. And after develop this project, I have learned so many technical issues regarding e-commerce, and now I can develop my own website. And finally, I would say this actually this helped me to that will help my future to be this is the way actually this will help my I will have a better future on e-commerce field as I learn how to develop and the different issues of e-commerce. Thank you very much.